Hello viewer, welcome to TECHCTG24. Today I am going to show you how to turn your laptop into a Wi-Fi repeater. If you have an active network connection, then you can share your laptop. Just go to settings and mobile hotspots, navigate to Wi-Fi, edit the network info, give a network name and select a strong password. That's all, and hit the save button. Alright, just go to your mobile device, navigate to Wi-Fi, search available network, select network and enter the password. You are successfully done. Okay, then you can go to your laptop, then you can see the connected device as well. Here is my device connected already. Thank you for watching video. Please subscribe our channel.